Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Easy64. In today's video, we're going to discuss model question papers and previous year question papers. These papers will be really helpful for your exams and internal assessments. You can also analyze the question patterns. I've uploaded more than 5 papers that will make your exam preparation much easier and more effective. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you're interested in getting regular updates, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It'll help you stay on track during your exam season. Alright, let's go straight into the video.